Hello fooders, welcome back. So in today's video we're making this viral bread pops. Do you have stale bread? Let's make this. So you're going to first start by cutting your bread into cubes, just as I'm doing in the video. Then you're going to toast this on medium low heat till it's all dry and crunchy. So just keep stirring and stirring and stirring till it's dry, just like in the video. And then you're going to make your glaze. So in the same pot I'll be adding some sugar, water, and be melting that. Stir very well and add in some milk, some salt, and then mix until it's thickened up a bit. Add in your butter and some vanilla flavor and mix everything very well. It thickens up, and then you're going to add your toasted bread cubes. After that, give it a good stir and then transfer into a tray to allow it cool down completely. So after it cools down, it's gonna be super crunchy, just like normal popcorn. So I gave the kids and they all enjoy this. I know I'll be making it again. Bye.